The concept of kamikaze drones traces its roots to World War II, inspired by Japan's kamikaze pilots who sacrificed themselves to inflict damage on enemy ships. While early attempts to create unmanned explosive aircraft were limited by technology, the idea persisted. In the late 20th century, advances in electronics and miniaturization allowed for the first practical loitering munitions, unmanned aerial vehicles equipped with explosives, designed to identify, track, and destroy targets in a single-use mission. The Israeli Harpy, developed in the 1980s, is often cited as one of the first true kamikaze drones, capable of autonomous flight and target engagement. In the 21st century, kamikaze drones have evolved rapidly, becoming smaller, more precise, and more affordable. Modern examples like the American Switchblade and the Iranian Shahed series have demonstrated their effectiveness in conflicts across Ukraine, the Middle East, and beyond. Today, these drones are reshaping military strategy by offering real-time reconnaissance, precision strikes, and the ability to saturate defenses with swarms, marking a new era in warfare.